guys, welcome back to the Beauty Room for another video. It's your girl Alicia, and today is Workout With Me Wednesday, so I hope you're ready to get started because we're about to get into it.
Check the mic and make sure it's
I hope you had a great week. Mine was challenging again, but you know what? Beauty Room fitness tip of the day, prioritize your workout. Don't let anything get in the way of your exercise, your health, your fitness, your goals, your journey, okay? So we're gonna walk it out, you know the drill. We're gonna walk it out, we're gonna get warmed up, okay? We're gonna get ready to do this workout, okay? Because we're gonna get ourselves in shape and we're gonna reach all our goals this year. Because 2021, let's go, okay? All right, now we're gonna get started real quick. So, are you ready? Let's go. So I'm gonna teach you another easy sequence workout, okay? We do it for 5 minutes, it's 5 minutes fit, you know the drill. If you've been watching, you know, okay? If you don't, welcome, and you're gonna learn, okay? So, first thing we're gonna do is, we're gonna do 2 squats this time. So we're gonna do a squat, squat, and we're gonna hold, pull our gut in, and we're gonna twist and twist, okay? Squat, squat, twist, twist. I know you can do it, okay? So it's just 2 squats, 2 twists. You can do it? All right, let's go. So squat, squat, okay? Twist, twist. Squat, squat, breathe it out. Twist, twist. You can do it. Let's go. Squat, twist, twist. Feel the burn, but don't stop. Let's go. Squat, and twist, twist. Okay, now. I think you know it now. So we're going to turn it up, okay? Let's go. Squat, squat, twist, twist. Let's go. Squat, squat, twist, twist. Pull that gut in. Squat, squat. We're working our butt and our gut. Let's go. Squat, squat. Woo! Twist, twist. I know you feel it. Don't stop. Squat. You got this. Twist, twist. I know you got this. Squat, squat. Let's go. Twist, twist. Show them what you can do. Let's go. And twist, twist. Let's go. Squat, squat. Hey, twist, twist. 5 minute fit. You do it. 5 minutes. Let's go. Pump it up. Squat. Hey, squat. Woo. Twist, twist. Break's coming soon. Squat, squat. Hang with me. Twist, twist. Your break is coming. Squat, squat. Twist, twist. Okay, I'm gonna give you a break. Get you some water. Take a breath. Okay?
Right, boy.
Breathe all that amazing fresh air that God gave us, okay? Get you a drink of water. Come right back into it. We're gonna get started real soon, okay? Catch your breath. Because this is the hard part. Towards the end, you know we're gonna bump it up. Push the hardest at the end. Get those results that you want. So, here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. And squat. Hey, squat. Twist, twist. Let's go. Squat, squat. Twist, twist. Pray for help. Squat, squat. Hey, twist, twist. Let's get it. Squat, squat. Woo, twist, twist. I know you feel it. Squat, squat. Hey, twist, twist. Woo, squat, squat. Feel good. Twist, twist. And squat, squat. Burns so good. Twist, twist. Work it out. And squat. Hey, squat, twist, twist. Twist it out. Squat, squat. Twist, twist. Turn it out. Squat, squat. Twist, twist. Let's go. Squat, squat. We almost done. Twist, twist. Squat, squat. Almost. Twist, twist. Almost done. Breathe. Woo! One more. Give me one more good one. Squat, squat. Hey, twist, twist. Woo! You did it. And you're amazing. Woo! Breathe it out. Breathe it out. Now. You hear me? I'm breathing, honey. I'm breathless, honey. Now, if you ain't like me, you ain't glossing and glistening with some sweat, and you ain't breathless like me, that means you ain't doing right. I need you to come back again, press play, and do it again, okay? You can come and do this workout every single day this week. Press play, hang out with me, and get your workout in. It's a 5 minute fit. I know you can do this, because we're going to do it together, and we're going to reach all our goals. Thank you for hanging out with me. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below for future videos. You can get notified of when those videos come up. And I'll see you in the future. Fab Finds Friday. Alright. Hope you have a great day.